In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives in your theme and how to turn it off cleanly without touching any code. This is great if you want a cleaner header, you're simplifying your navigation, or you use a different search experience elsewhere on your site. Start on your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, open Online Store. This takes you to the Themes area, where you manage the look and feel of your storefront. If you work with multiple themes, make sure you're on the theme you want to edit. It's always a good idea to work on a duplicate theme if you're experimenting, so you can publish changes only when you're happy with them. Open the theme editor by selecting Customize, sometimes labeled Edit Theme depending on your view. This launches the visual editor with your storefront preview on the right and a panel of sections on the left. In that left panel, select the Header section. It's often simply called Header, and controls everything in the top bar of your store, including your logo, menu, icons, and utility links. Within the header settings, look for the option related to search. Different themes phrase it slightly differently, but it's typically labeled Search, Show Search, or Show Search Icon. You'll see a toggle or slider next to it. Turn that toggle off to disable the search icon. As soon as you switch it off, check the live preview on the right. The magnifying glass icon should disappear from the header instantly, giving you a clear view of how your navigation looks without it. If your theme groups icons together, you may notice spacing adjusts automatically. That's normal and usually handled by the theme's layout. If your theme shows a Save button, click it to make the change stick. Some editors autosave, but it's best practice to save explicitly whenever you make a visual change. After saving, use the preview or open your storefront in a new tab to confirm the header looks the way you want across a couple of pages. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Removing the search icon doesn't always remove search functionality entirely. Customers can still reach search if there are links or forms elsewhere, so make sure the experience matches your intent. If you don't see a search option in the header settings, your theme may manage it under a different section or theme settings area, or it may not support toggling the icon. In that case, consult your theme's documentation or support. That's it. You've removed the search icon using the built-in theme controls, keeping your header clean and focused.